Today, learning has become confusing. Too many platforms, too many recorded videos, and no real interaction. Most students are stuck because they do not know who to learn from, and they do not get the real life guidance for it. See, at Ostello, our vision is simple. We want to make live learning accessible, flexible, and personal. We believe learning works best when you can see the educator's life, you can choose the one you want to connect with, and you can start learning instantly. Not one course, not one teacher, but the right educator for you. And we are starting one goal at a time. Right now, it's spoken English and IELTS. No long commitments, no pressure, just live one-on-one sessions so that you can learn live and improve in real time. And this is just the beginning because Ostello is not a course platform, it's a live learning infrastructure. And it's built to grow you step by step. So if you believe learning should be live, personal, and human, then you're in the right place.